x is equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Hello guys, magandang araw. Welcome sa ating panibagong random math topics. Sa araw na ito, pag-aaralan natin kung paano isolve ang quadratic equation gamit ang iba't ibang method. Shoutout nga pala sa nag-request itong topic na ito. Bago natin simulan ang different types of methods sa pag-solve ng quadratic equation, i-define muna natin kung ano ang quadratic equation. Ang quadratic equation is any equation that can be rearranged in standard form as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where x represents an unknown and a, b, and c represent known numbers, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, proceed tayo sa solving quadratic equation using three different methods, which is quadratic formula, factoring, and completing the square. Unang i-discuss natin ay ang method na gamit ang quadratic formula. Ang quadratic formula is x is equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, sa pag-solve ng quadratic equation using ang quadratic formula, unang-unang alamin natin is yung given. Ang given natin is kailangan natin hanapin yung a, yung value ng a, yung value ng b, at saka yung value ng c. So, para mas lalong maintindihan, let's give an example. Example natin is x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Kung ano ang coefficient ng x squared, yan yung value ng ating a. Kung ano ang coefficient ng x, yan ang value ng ating b. Kung ano naman yung constant natin, yun yung value ng ating c. So, unang-una is hanapin natin yung ating given. Ano ang value ng a, yung value ng b, at saka yung value ng c. Okay, value ng a natin dyan is since ang coefficient ng x squared is 1, so value ng a natin is 1. Value ng b natin is 3, and ang value ng ating c is since ang constant natin is negative 10, yan yung ating c. So, after nyo mahanap yung ating given, proceed na tayo sa ating formula. Substitute nyo na lang yung given na nahanap ninyo sa ating given formula. So, solution, x is equals to negative, value ng b natin is 3, plus minus square root of b squared is 3, minus 4 multiplied the value of a is 1, and then multiply nyo yung value ng c natin na negative 10 divided by 2 times 1, which is the value of a. Then after nyo ma-substitute yung mga given value, so simplify nyo na lang. Negative 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared is 9, and then negative 4 times 1 times negative 10 is negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. Multiplied nyo by negative 4, magiging positive 40. All over 2 times 1 is 2. Next, simplify nyo pa rin. Negative 3 plus minus square root of 40 plus 9 is equals to 49 divided by 2. Since 49 is perfect square, so pwede natin siyang i-simplify. Equals negative 3 plus minus, so square root of 49 is 7 divided by 2. Since meron tayong plus at saka minus sign dyan, so ibig sabihin ang value ng x natin is dalawa. So separate natin. X, yung positive at saka yung negative, is equals to negative 3, unahin natin yung positive, plus 7 divided by 2. So, value ng x natin is equals sa negative 3 plus 7 is positive 4 divided by 2 magiging positive 2. So, unang value ng x natin is 2. Pangalawang value ng x natin is yung negative sign. So, x is equals to negative 3 minus 7 divided by 2. So, simplify. The value of x natin is negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So, ang value ng x natin gamit ang quadratic formula is 2 and negative 5. Okay, next na method is factoring. The same example, we have x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. Sa factoring naman is maghanap kayo ng dalawang polynomial na i-multiply nyo to each other na mag-i-equal sa ating general form. So, we have equal nyo sa 0. So, ano yung dalawang polynomial na ma-divide natin sa ma-multiply natin para mag-equal sa ating standard form. So, since may x squared dyan, so, ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang x. Lagay nyo dyan, dalawang x. And then, so, since negative ito, so, anong ma-multiply natin sa negative na sign para maging negative? So, we have negative and positive. So, since meron tayong coefficient na 10, so, anong ma-multiply natin na mag-equal sa 10? Pwedeng 10 times 1, pwedeng 5 times 2. Since 3 ang coefficient natin sa gitna, sa x, so, ano yung sa tingin nyong ma-subtract ninyong dalawang number na mag-equal sa 3? So, meron tayong 5 at saka 2. So, yun siya. Then, since negative siya, pwede nating, since positive yung ating sign sa x, so, ang positive sign is yung malaking number. So, yung 5 natin, yung lagyan natin ng positive sign. So, minus 2. Check nyo na lang by simple multiply nyo itong dalawa. So, mag-equal yung sagot sa x squared plus 3x minus 10. So, since nakuha nyo natin yung factor ng ating general form, so, hanapin na natin yung value ng x. Sa paghahanap ng value ng x, so, i-equal nyo lang yung dalawang polynomial na yan sa 0. So, magiging x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. After that, yung 5, i-transpose nyo lang sa kabila. So, magiging x is equals to, yung positive magiging negative. So, magiging negative 5. And then, yung x dito naman is, yung negative magiging positive naman siya. Ganun lang kadali yung factoring pag-solve ng quadratic equation. Okay, next method natin is yung completing the square. So, the same example pa rin tayo. X squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, sa pag-completing the square, ang unang step is itong yung constant natin dito, ita-transpose natin sa kabila. So, x squared plus 3x transpose negative magiging positive. And then, next is, ang titingnan natin yung coefficient ng x. So, sa pag-completing the square, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, kunin mo yung ilabas muna natin para mas lalong maintindihan. Ilabas natin yung coefficient ng x. So, ang gagawin natin is, i-divide nyo lang sa 2, then, i-square nyo yung ating given. Then, after that, itong nakuha natin na ito, i-add lang natin both side. So, magiging x squared plus 3x then plus quantity 3 all over 2 squared is equals to, ngayon natin ito, 10 plus quantity 3 all over 2 squared. Then, after that, since, kasi ang purpose ng paghanap natin dito is para maging perfect square yung ating equation. So, since nakuha natin yan, so, ito siya is magiging perfect square. Kung ano yung sign dito, yan yung magiging sign ng ating perfect square. So, ang perfect square natin dito is x plus 3 all over 2 squared. Kaya siya naging perfect square. Then, simplify nyo lang ito. Magiging 10 plus square root of 3 is 9 all over square root ng 2, squared ng 2 is 4. So, simplify natin. Separate natin yan. So, ang LCD natin is 4. 4 multiplied by 10 magiging 40 plus ito is divide. So, magiging 9. So, magiging 49 all over 4. Okay? So, ito siya magiging 49 all over 4. So, since may square dyan, ang gagawin natin is i-extract natin yung square dyan. So, square root nyo lang both side para ma-cancel out itong square dito at saka yung ating radical sign. So, ang maiiwan na lang is x plus 3 all over 2 is equals to, since perfect square yung dalawa, so magiging, ang square root ng 49 is 7, then ang square root ng 4 is 2. So, since square root yan, so magiging positive and negative yan siya. So, since meron tayong positive and negative, so, ito, i-transpose muna natin to para maging makuha natin yung value ng x. X is equals to positive, negative, 7 all over 2. Since positive yan, so magiging negative 3 all over 2. Since meron tayong positive at saka negative, ibig sabihin, dalawa yung ating value ng x. So, separate natin. X is equals to, unahin natin yung positive, 7 all over 2 minus 3 all over 2. So, since the same ang denominator, kopyahin nyo lang. So, magiging x is equals to 7 minus 3 is 4 all over 2. Then, x is equals to 2. Next. So, meron na tayong value na dito natin lagay. X is equals to 2. Pangalawang value which is yung negative. Erase natin to. So, x is equals to negative 7 all over 2 minus 3 all over 2. The same lang din sa kanina. X is equals to negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. Negative 10 all over 2 kasi pareho yung ating denominator. So, next is x is equals to negative 10 divided by 2 is equals to negative 5. So, ang value ng x na isa is negative 5. So, that's it for today. So, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe at i-hit ang ating notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.